Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to flag and pin emails in Outlook web app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to outlook.cloud.microsoft. Once you enter the URL, the page will load and take you directly to your Outlook web app interface. Make sure you're logged in with your Microsoft account credentials so you can access all your emails and folders. Once your email inbox is fully loaded, you'll see your inbox pane on the left side of the screen. This is where all your emails and email folders are located, and it's the main area you'll be working with for this tutorial. Now let's start by selecting a sample email that you want to flag or pin. Simply locate the email in your inbox that you'd like to work with. Next, right-click on the selected email. When you do this, a context menu will appear with several options. In this context menu, you'll prominently see the pin option near the top. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click pin, you'll notice that the email immediately moves to the top part of your inbox, and a small pin icon will appear next to it. This pinning feature is really useful because it keeps important emails at the top of your inbox so they don't get buried under newer messages, making them easy to find whenever you need them. Now, let's move on to flagging an email. From the same context menu that appeared when you right-clicked on the email, hover your cursor over the flag option. When you hover over it, the menu will expand to show you different flagging options. You'll see several choices including today, tomorrow, this week, next week, no date, or custom. These flag options allow you to set reminders about this email contact, which is particularly helpful when the email includes tasks or deadlines you need to keep track of. Choose the time frame that works best for you based on when you need to be reminded about this email. For example, if you need to respond to an email by the end of the week, you might select this week as your flag option. And that's it. You've now learned how to both pin and flag emails in Outlook web app, giving you better control over organizing your inbox and managing important messages. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.